So tell me more about this segment. Why is this a good investment from a segment perspective? And what does a typical day look like as a franchisee? How you guys stand out from competition? And who's a great candidate for this type of franchise? We want to introduce yourself, please?
So I'm Jonathan Morgan with Eliano's Coffee Company.
Great. Tell me more about your franchise concept.
So we are Eliano's Coffee Company based out of the Southeast. We're a double-sided drive-through concept that's an 800 square foot building serving quality products at America's pace. We do lots of different items inside, really good Southern style grit bowls, breakfast bowls with eggs, cheese, choice of protein, hot espresso, your iced espresso, frappuccinos, or what we call our freezers, espresso infused, really good quality products. Right now we have an AUV of 1.1 million with an initial investment from $671 to $1 million. That entails building this building. So you're essentially developing a piece of property, acquiring the property, and then opening your Elianos. We have support through each way, whether real estate, civil, or construction. We look forward to talking to you more about this great opportunity.
Tell me more about this segment. Why is this a good investment from a segment perspective?
Well, this is a great investment because, for one, we're independently owned. We're not a corporately traded company. With that being said, it's great numbers, great people, great support, and the quality of our products set us apart.
How you guys stand out from competition?
The quality of the products, the service level that we offer, the way we do things, it just stands apart.
Great. And who's a great candidate for this type of franchise?
Anyone that wants to get into entrepreneurship, that has a passion to get into the coffee business and relates to it. We're looking for someone that maybe doesn't understand on how to run a coffee shop, but understands business, that has about 150,000 cash, 500 net worth, an interest in the brand.
What does a typical day look like as a franchisee?
So a typical day of a franchisee, day to day, you're obviously managing your manager. Typically our franchisees are hiring an operator or a manager, and they'll have probably 5 to 6 people in the store day to day. They're not owner operators where they're in the store day to day, but they're consistently in conversation with their managers. We want them to be heavily involved, but they don't have to be in the store making coffee day to day.
All right, so anything else you want to let a potential candidate that might be investing in your franchise?
Well, I just want you to know the best way to understand it is to reach out to us or visit one of our locations. In our FTD or franchise disclosure document, we list all of our franchisees' names and phone numbers and locations. We love for you to reach out to them. Maybe you think I'm biased because I work for corporate. The franchisees will tell you the truth at the end of the day.
Love it. Congratulations on your success. Do you want to franchise your business and take it to a whole new level? Click the link below to schedule a free consultation today.